Alright guys, sorry if it's kind of windy. Remember, I'm using my phone now. So anyways, let's get that cold start. It's not super cold. It's not super cold, but the engine's cold, I should say, at least. Okay. Change the seat. Bada boom, bada bang. So that was cut for a minute. Turn on sport mode. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but traction control off. Now seatbelt time. Okay guys, so we're gonna get rolling, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright, we're waiting for this light to turn green, and then we're gonna go. I want to give you guys a nice pull. The other light up here is red, so we're not going to be able to do that yet, but I'll get on it once we get around this turn. Hear that nice, nice. Sorry, my phone is mounted into my steering wheel right now, so if I turn it, I'm going to go like this as we're turning, so I may go sideways. So give me a second, alright guys? Go. Going sideways. Ready? Gotta love it, guys. Now we're driving normal so that we don't get the cops called on us. Alright guys, so here's a little sneak peek for the challenge coming up with RT Life. Come on, people, move. See, we're going through an overpass. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. That's just a little sneak peek. I'll get some more. Sorry, the screen's moving on you guys. Hey. Anyways, just a little sneak peek. Can't wait. Trying to find the best place to get the best sound. And I like going through downtown because it's pretty loud too when you go downtown. But it echoes real nice, you know, with all the buildings. But trying to find the best overpass to go through. There's a parking garage, so you know what? Maybe I'll hit that before. But we'll see. So anyways, that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And thanks for putting up with me while I figure out my phone and how to get it to, you know, hit right. There's another charger. I don't know if I can catch him or not. But anyways, again, if you're here for the first time, guys, subscribe, like, and I will see you guys soon. Adios.